and recipe loved by many. This stir-fried sweet peas with dace and black beans is another appetizing and satisfying dish.
For this recipe, I used half a can of dace with black beans. The remaining half will be used in another recipe to share with you all later. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. The ingredients are quite simple, just canned dace with black beans, sweet peas, and ginger. Of course, I'll add some shredded carrot to enhance the visual appeal as well. Wash sweet peas and remove fibrous strings. Peel and shred the carrot for later use. Mince the ginger for later use. Remove the canned dace with black beans from the can, mash them, and set aside for later use. Canned dace with black beans is a classic Cantonese seasoned canned food, primarily made from freshwater dace fish, fermented black beans, and spices, which are marinated and then simmered until tender in a sealed can. It features a savory, rich flavor with soft, well-seasoned fish and a distinct fermented black bean taste. Often enjoyed as a side dish with rice, stir-fried with vegetables, or tossed with noodles, it is a convenient and appetizing staple in home cooking. Add half a can of dace with black beans to the pan. No extra cooking oil is needed, as the oil from the can is already sufficient. Stir-fry it first to enhance the aroma and make it even more delicious. Don't forget to add the prepared minced ginger. Stir it in together. Ginger helps effectively remove any fishy taste for those who are sensitive to it. Once the aroma is released, add the shredded carrot and sweet peas and stir-fry everything together. If the dish seems too dry, add a little water while stir-frying to help blend the sauce evenly. Be careful not to add too much water, just enough to create a light simmer and enrich the flavors. A bit of savory broth will make the stir-fried dace with black beans and sweet peas even more delicious and perfect with rice. For seasoning, you can add a bit of salt and sugar to balance the flavors. While the dace with black beans is already salty, I personally find that adding a little extra seasoning complements the vegetables and legumes nicely. Feel free to adjust according to your own taste preference. Look, another simple, delicious, and satisfying homemade dish is ready. Just the aroma alone is enough to make your stomach growl. It truly tastes as good as it smells. This dish can be a bit oily, so you may want to use less oil from the can when cooking. I saved the leftover dace and oil from the can, planning to use them later for stir-frying cabbage or making fried rice. I'll likely share the recipe with everyone too, so stay tuned for it. The savory and rich flavor of fermented black beans infuses the sweet peas and carrots, while the tender dace fish adds a soft, seasoned contrast to the crisp vegetables. With its bold, umami sauce and a hint of sweetness, this stir-fry is a fragrant and satisfying homemade dish that pairs perfectly with rice. The dace fish is tender and flavorful, while the sweet peas and carrots offer a crisp freshness. The overall taste is savory, rich, and well-balanced, a truly appetizing homemade dish perfect with rice. This dish is rich in protein and dietary fiber, with dace providing high-quality protein and minerals, while sweet peas and carrots contribute vitamins and fiber. Well balanced in nutrition, it offers energy and aids digestion when enjoyed in moderation, making it both a tasty and wholesome home-cooked meal. Snow peas are rich in dietary fiber and vitamin C, which aid digestion and help boost immunity. Their low-calorie, high-fiber nature supports weight management and promotes gut health. Additionally, the antioxidants in snow peas can help reduce inflammation and contribute to skin and eye health. Give it a try and learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe, definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.